adofo am show JulieJuu TV. Say dey make am say we show JulieJuu TV. Abomodia subscribe to your channel, no like, no share, them comment. Ne boost me immune system no. Na mama ho dey dada enye program for Emfambre o. Na enye bihwe. That's why we're Ghana Party in the Park 2026. Now ya baba to me nipa ba go pe Mefie. I'm Mefie and dey na wo magana for. Bodi na fe dey wo magana for no ka kire wo mama you ready to.
Thank you so much. But your friend me Ivy. I am the founder and the CEO of Mefie. Mefie a company we promote all things Ghana. There are so many exciting things. There are raffles, for a chance to win holidays to Ghana, concert tickets, just say nyama be brave. And recently no you launched directory. I've been listing the Bia Ghana or restaurants or money sending companies, shipping companies. It should be Bia. It will that serves the Ghanaian community. But Mefie directory all over the world.
And you come on him. Hey, Mefie. Na fiwe na okay raffle be near ni ho. They are modern crofo ko Ghana no.
You know, yeah, babe launch here no. And last year we no we any over December.
Okay.
Within the next 2-3 months we are launching new one for to give somebody a chance to go to Ghana again. See, running a year at the
okay.
But apart from that, there were smaller competitions here for artists or mobile. There will be for Stoneboy, Kiddy, Prejenchi. Nini now will be for your website. So I know.
Oh, sir.
And 2% will win tickets or share any of those shows. Over the your website or enter for free. You better enter into the competition for a chance to win.
Oh, Stoneboy bar say 15th. Obiba was site wow, bet me we need tickets at the Korebi.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
And back we're doing cheaper, R2B, Chese, February.
And if our website is to join, I'm on phone call, conversation in Tentem.
And your website is www.mefie.com. Mefie.com. What type of Mefie crowd will Google anything app, or how to raffles here. Open Mefie direction is maybe on a restaurant, or shipping company, or should be VR, or press it directory, and also now we have all the events happening, all the restaurants all over the world. That will be a website.
Hey, mommy, Oko and him. Oh, chairman for difference. Because I know, charity, so I can be.
Sometimes, as part of Mefie, give back initiative. You know, sometimes, when we run our raffles, we use some of the proceeds to go and support company charities in Ghana, if they are NGO and any good cause in Ghana, we go and do a give back project. So that's another thing that we do as well. Into so many things at Mefie, or you can follow us on Instagram, all the stuff that we are doing in the community and all over the world.
Ayo. So but they what you want now Instagram,
and so you were Instagram, if you type in Mefie, you were TikTok, you were Facebook, we are social media, anywhere that you normally find us, please follow us. We are my regular updates. Please me by your website, so please me sign up. You send the email updates, and so many different ways that we are connected with Mefie.
Yo, and Mefie, that's it. Shower for nothing.
Anyone that follows JulieJuu, I'm supporting the great work she's doing. It's amazing. On also JulieJuu is the one and only.
Oh, who's
that? Bringing us and latest content. Make sure to subscribe because she's always the best.
Yeah, that's it. And then other four, Ahaya and JulieJuu TV do listen to me. And I'm other four. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Make some dislocation!